That is where Atomy Inner Collagen comes in. Sino na po ang nakapag-try ng Atomy Inner Collagen? Wow, madami na. Ayan. So, napakaganda po ng ating product na ito. So, this one, meron po tayong 14 bottles sa isang box. So, it's good for 2 weeks. You can take 1 bottles bago ka matulog kasi mas maganda yung effect niya if you're taking it at night. Ayan. So what exactly is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant structural protein in our body. Actually, it's 30% of our body, collagen. This is the building blocks of our skin, our muscles, tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues. Okay? In fact, 90% of our dermal layer ng ating skin yan is made up of collagen. Kaya lang habang nagkakaedad po tayo, nagbi-breakdown po ang collagen na ito at hindi na po natin ito mas maganda at mas mabilis na nare-reproduce at nare-replenish. Actually, pag nagtungtong ka na ng 20s, nag-i-start na po ang pag-decline ng collagen levels. Lalo na if you are exposed to pollution, kulang ka sa tulog, ayan. And also, you are always doing like high-intensity exercises, so collagen will also deplete. So there are many collagen out there in the market. May tablet, may powder, siguro naka-encounter na kayo. But the best and most effective type of collagen is the liquid form, especially the Atomy Inner Collagen because this one is hydrolyzed marine peptide collagen. Bakit marine peptide? We will learn more on that. So sabi po dito, ang atin pong inner collagen is made from 100% fish scales. Yan po ang pinakamaganda at pinaka-effective. So I hope sa susunod na seminar, hindi naman po ako makakakita sa likod ng ngumangata ng kaliskis ng isda. Ano ay sabi ni Miss Jane, madami daw collagen sa fish scales. Yan, di ba? So mag-Atomy Inner Collagen ka na lang, 'di ba? Kasi po, yun pong molecular structure ng fish scales, it is very similar with the skin structure of human beings, okay? All right. So, it says here that the fish collagen, ayan, very similar, and napakaliit po ng kanyang molecular structure. It's only 512 Dalton. Ibig sabihin, talagang maa-absorb at magagamit siya kaagad ng ating skin. There's a test in Korea wherein they use the fish collagen peptide to 79 sa 79 na healthy Korean women na merong dry skin and they are aged 30 to 60 years old to check kung talagang mag-i-improve ang kanilang skin conditions. Ayan. And they were able to notice significant changes when it comes to the appearance of wrinkles in the eye area, the skin elasticity, and also the moisture of the skin. Ibig sabihin, very effective siya. Ayan. So, to make the long story short, ayan, so meron tayong mga table dito. This is also available and you can download this from CH Atomy under resources. Ayan, but the scientists, they use a lot of tools katulad ng visiometer, cutometer, corneometer, tewameter para ma-measure ang elasticity, moisture retention, dun sa skin ng mga tinest nilang Korean women. And ibig sabihin po nun, itong Atomy Inner Collagen will really make us beautiful, youthful, and healthier. Kaya po, wag po ninyong hinayangan. Diba? Magkano lang per bottle nun papatak? 150 pesos. Mas magiging maganda ka na, magiging healthy ka pa. For 150 pesos, di ba? Ayusin natin yung mga desisyon natin sa buhay at Tomians, ha? Ayan. So, ito pong ating mga scientists, again, hindi sila nakontento na fish collagen peptide lang yung ilalagay nila sa ating collagen. So what they did is nagdagdag pa sila ng other sub-ingredients. We have the hyaluronic acid, ayan, that is responsible po sa suppleness ng ating skin. We have elastin para ma-improve po yung pag-stretch and recoil ng ating skin. The ceramide, which is responsible for moisture retention and also prevents the entry of germs in our skin. And the best ingredient of all is the vitamin C. So if you're taking inner collagen, mas maganda yung nagiging effect pag sinasabayan mo siya ng vitamin C. Because vitamin C is responsible for the healing process of the body. Ang vitamin C po ay responsible para mag-form siya ng mga blood vessels and also sa ating bone matrix, lalong-lalo na po sa mga kababaihan natin who are already menopause kasi nagiging brittle na ang kanilang bones. So you have to take Atomy Inner Collagen. Ayan. So again, magandang isabay siya with the vitamin C. So ganyan po talaga sa Atomy. Nagiging consumer ka lang, you love taking the products, you're enjoying the benefits of the products, gumaganda ka na, bumabata ka pa, nagiging healthy ka pa, mas nagiging marites ka pa kasi share ka ng share, Atomy, 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 nagbenta ka ba? No! But you will earn commission and cashback because of the unique system in Atomy. So I hope later po is mas makinig pa po kayong mabuti so you can learn more how you can maximize the compensation plan in Atomy. And ito po, to close my lecture, dun po sa mga new attendees natin, bago ninyo nakilala si Atomy, regular consumer lamang po tayo. Hindi po ba? So kung iisipin mo, sa bahay ninyo, mula ulo hanggang paa, iba-ibang brand ang ginagamit mo. Kahit hindi mo nakilala si Atomy, patuloy ka pa rin magtututbrush, maliligo ka pa rin, maghuhugas ka pa rin ng plato, maglalaba ka pa rin ng damit. So what we encourage is for you to do a brand switch. Atomy is not additional expenses. You just have to switch to products that are of high quality and talagang maaasahan mo. The more you use Atomy products, the more na magiging healthy, magiging beautiful, at magiging time-rich, friend-rich ka pa. Gusto ba yun, Atomians? Yes, okay. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, I'm Diamond Master Jane Manarinia, and God bless us all.